The Yoruba Creative Project Awards is going to be an amazing annual event, a really great opportunity to bring the whole community together and celebrate those individuals who've made an outstanding contribution to the creative arts.
And so when we started this project, it's laid on a theme. The theme includes cultural education, creative project, event, and award. So we want to do cultural education. We want to be teaching culture. We want to be doing special projects, which is what Elizabeth is saying. We want to do creative projects, which is anything that has to do with film making and we will use Yoruba to do it. And we want to do award. We want to give award to people who are promoting culture. Yeah. Now, what people used to do is this: they bring experts together and do discussion, like we're doing our brainstorming, and we're putting this on record that we brainstorm on all these key areas, and then we'll develop an action plan to follow it up. Yeah. So I have talked about cultural education. The action plan mainly for me is that Tayese should be registered with an off-call awarding body so we can offer level 2, level 3 qualification. That will create job opportunity as well, and people can come here. Elizabeth is speaking on special projects. What other things can we be doing? Special project like events that we should be doing. Then Samantha is speaking on award, an area that you're interested in. The future is that we'll be bringing people from all over the world to give them Tayese Award. Yeah. And now we didn't call it Tayese Award, we call it Yoruba Creative Project Award UK. We didn't call it Tayese Award. So it will be an annual thing, maybe every December. We'll get it all like your birthday hall, bring people there, give people award. So that's it. But the whole idea is that we're now bringing people to discuss these ideas. Then Omolara will speak on film, using your film to project Yoruba Asha and Ishe. So that's what we're doing mainly.
But there's a lot of mistakes from these people that are doing award, especially in London here.
Yes.
If I'm a bricklayer now, it's not possible for them to give me award on, how can I put it, on table tennis,
no,
something. But
they do it.
They used to do that here in London.
Okay.
But yeah.
So that's what Samantha would.
You may be bricklayer. How can they give you award? Being that you are the first dancer of the universe. It's not possible. But they used to do the mistake here.
So Samantha would.
So many.
Samantha will touch on that. So when Samantha speaks on award.
And I'm fortunate because I'm involved with an awards already. And I've worked on Stepfold Awards, Christian and Gospel Music Awards. In 3 years, it went to a point where TBN UK televised it.
Wow.
And it also fed to the Mobos. So they chose their gospel category based on who we'd given awards to. So it fed into the mainstream music industry. And we've already had interest from the United States, from people like who do the Dun and Stellar Awards over there. They've noted what we're doing here because we're trying to do a combination of those two. And also, what was the third thing? Big Church Festival, Big Church Day Out. The lineup used to be mainly just white artists, white performers. This year, if you look at the lineup, we've managed to get it in a real mix. And that's because of Stepfold Awards. Wow. So I'm excited.
So I must really say, Tayese London, thank you so much for having me. It's been a privilege to be able to share with you all the proposed projects that I've talked about. Like I said, being the president of Nigerian Women in South Africa has really exposed me to the reality that happens when there's a gap within the cultural space where a lot of people don't know their true identity. Looking at where the world is today, we're always talking about equality, inclusion, and diversity, and these cannot be achieved. And mind you, this is really a primary project that I always have to push. We can't achieve this without culture not being there, because this is a time where people would have to then be okay with who they are, identify with who they are.
My name is Omolara, the producer of that movie, Pameta, a movie that Tayese of UK is the executive producer of the project. So I'm so excited to be part of this discussion. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Tayese.